Hello and welcome. I'm Melissa and I'm so happy you're joining me today. Well, whether you like it or not, I actually don't mind. I really like it. Fall is soon upon us. I'd like to take you through some quick and easy tips that I use to transition myself from summer into fall. So let's check it out.
Okay, so like I said, this really is just the first steps. And really, in order to transition in, is you want to start looking around and removing all of your summer or summer-like decor. And this is really gets you into that focus or that mindset of transitioning and getting ready for fall. And so for me, what I've really noticed is my decor, my summer decor is really all about flowers. I love florals, and you can really see a theme here is this pink. It's very bright, summer floral-like decor. And so we're saying goodbye to that, and we're going to transition into what would be my new fall look or my new fall colors. And the really great thing about this day and age is that you don't necessarily have to go with the traditional oranges and reds that you would see in fall, although I do love that. But now is the time that you can really look for your specific fall look. And for me, hey, I love blue and white, and I can't believe I found this blue and white themed decor. It's really going to go well with my current decor, and it really helps with that transition. So stay tuned for more videos with these pumpkins and other blue and white products. But until then, I'm really excited that I found pinks that go with my current decor, but also helps me to give that fall look. And when I was actually in Michael's picking up these florals, I had somebody in line tell me that they couldn't believe how extremely fall-like these looked without having those typical traditional colors. So the next step would really be to start incorporating your fall colors. And again, like I said, mine is florals. And so I've just separated all of my colors and my florals so that I can really look and piece together what I would like this floral centerpiece to look like. And I'm going to tell you, I think I switched this around about 4 times. And so since taking this video, I think that centerpiece looks a tad bit different than what it did yesterday. And so that is okay. Change it up. And really, it's when it is finished and I look at it going, oh, that's it. That's the piece. Do not touch it. That is how I know I am ready, and it is exactly how I want it to be. Feel free to play around with it, put it up, change your mind if you want to later, but it's really looking at, again, those small little steps that are going to help you slowly get ready for fall without having to do too much change all at once. Another thing I really like about using florals is it really does brighten and liven up your environment, your home, and you don't have to use those traditional leaves that you would see. Pumpkins, well, hey, I still love decorating with pumpkins, so stay tuned for that. But again, just these little tiny tweaks to your home decor that is slowly going to start transitioning as the weather gets colder. Unfortunately, the days get shorter and things just seem to have more of that darker type of mood. And so if you gear your decor to it, you are going to be in with the season. And now don't forget your front entrance. That is the first place that people are going to see when you're welcoming them into your home. And hey, a little trick is any of the extra florals that I had, I just put them all into a basket so that it looks like it was freshly picked for the season that is awaiting us. And yet again, I was able to find beautiful fall decor like this wreath that went with the colors that I was going for, those nice mauve and pink and blush pink colors that I'm using in my decor for this season. Now, another thing to do, and really this is just the beginning steps of getting ready for fall, is awaken your fall senses. And nothing speaks more of memories and triggering those thoughts and feelings than with smell. And why not something very, very fall-like to me, which is hot apple cider. And hey, not only is it delicious, but it gives that smell throughout your home so that you have that fall-like ambiance, awakening your senses when you go into your home. And now you don't necessarily have to use food or drinks. You can also go with candles. And look at this. I found navy, which really goes with the navy and white and blue decor that I'm going for. But it also is very fall-like with that pumpkin smell. And what better way to take on the longer dark evenings than with a beautiful candlelight, sitting and relaxing in your living room while you are smelling that beautiful fall-like aroma, and you are now prepared, or at least one step further prepared for the fall weather ahead of us.
So what did you think of those tips? I hope they help you to transition from summer into fall. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing. It always helps to grow my channel. Until next time, I hope this has helped you to stay inspired.